Hey everybody, it's Brandy back again, and today I'm going to be showing you how I put on these Kiss Gel Fantasy nails. This is the kit that I came with. They're like a pink, burgundy, and sparkly nail set. It comes with the glue as well as these glue stickers. So first I'm going to cut my nails. This way it adheres to my nail and it doesn't chip off because sometimes it gets stuck onto your actual long nail. So just cut those down like you can. I'm filing them too just so that they're not ugly underneath. I want to make sure that my nails are nice and healthy under there. Now I'm going to use this scraper. I'm going to push back my cuticles, and then I'm also going to clean that up with the sharp end, just making sure that all of the excess cuticles, the old dead skin gets off, and then you have these cuticle clippers to get all the rest of that off. Again, I want my nails to be healthy underneath, and it helps for your manicure to look very, very professional. Now I'm just going to see which nails I want to put where. I did end up changing up this order, but I just pretty much just check, and see which nails fit to what. Now, the nails that are matte, there's numbers on the bottom that you can see, so it was easy for me to pick those out. But I did want to do my ring fingers with the glitter nail, and that was a little bit harder because I don't think that there's numbers on the bottom, and if there is, you can't see them. So this process actually took the longest out of this whole application process, just finding the nails. So now I'm going to buff down my nails. This will help your nails stay on longer. It has something for the glue to attach to. So if you do have a nail file at home, I recommend kind of etching the inside of the nails too, if you can, if you have a gentler, a more gentle, what are some things called? Like files, that's what it's called. So you see me now, I'm going to just take some glue. I put it on the inside of the nail and on my nail. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to press it down for a couple seconds. This glue actually is very, very quick drying, which is great, especially for people like me who are beginners. I have not done this before at all. You're definitely going to be able to tell. But it's pretty quick, pretty easy. For me, it was a little bit hard because the nails are a lot shorter. So I was like getting glue on my fingers and then trying to hold it down. And then when I would lift my fingers, it would lift the nail up some. So be very careful not to touch the glue that's on the bottom or get it on your fingers that you use to apply, because it will get caught on the other side and it's going to be hard for you to stick these down. But again, very, very easy. Now, this was the part where I switched it up a little bit. I ended up switching this pink one out for a dark, like that dark plum color. This one did not want to stick on my nail. And honestly, I didn't want it anyway. I didn't want two pink nails. If anybody know me, y'all know I do not like pink. I'm allergic. I just don't like pink at all. So I tried again with another nail and it worked out fine. So I ended up finding a burgundy plum nail for that middle finger for the other hand. But again, I'm just going to press it on. Now this is a good note right here. So this is what happens when you get glue on the back of your hand. It will attach to the nail. And on this nail in particular, like you can still see some of the glue that got stuck onto the front of the nail. I tried my best to get most of it off, but it's not that bad from far away. You don't really notice it as much. Like I notice it, but you don't notice it as much. So I'm just going to continue to put these nails on. So this is what it looks like now that one hand is done. That took forever. Not really, but it took a lot longer than I expected. But now that this one is done, I'm going to go ahead and do my other nail. It needs to be pointing out the glue that got on the tip there. Just be careful of that. Again, be careful how much nail glue you do put on. Don't put a lot because it seeps out and that's what happens. And these are what they look like finally that I'm done. I really love these nails. They say medium on the box, but they're actually short to me. So they lasted to me a long time. They've been on for about 2 weeks. I've had a few fall off, but I just easily just filed my nail down and then put them back on. I do recommend these nails if you're looking for a manicure during this time of quarantine and can't get one. And I'll leave a link below where you can find all of these nails. I'll see y'all in the next video.